Hi students, today I am discussing about alcohol, phenols, ether. In that, first I will discuss about the alcohol phenols, later I will discuss about the ethers. Actually, alcohol general formula is CnH2nO. If N equal to 1, C1H, sorry, CnH2n plus 2O. Next, if n equal to 1, 1 here carbon, 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Then here 4O. This can be written as CH3OH. This is methyl alcohol. N equal to 2, C2H6O. This can be written as CH3, CH2OH. Ethyl alcohol. Like this, you can write continuation. The number whatever you can take, then you will get the respective alcohols. Only alcohol general formula, not the phenol. Phenol is unsaturated, that is benzene ring is present in that. So I am discussing about only alcohol's general formula. It is nothing but in this also can be represented as CnH2n plus 1OH. Actually, this is alkane general formula CnH2n plus 2. Its meaning, if you take 1, n equal to 1 for alkane CH4, this can be written as CH3H, total CH4. This hydrogen replaced by this hydroxy group. Then in aliphatic hydrocarbon, hydrogen is replaced by hydroxy group, that is alcohols. In aromatic, that is benzene. In benzene, at all corner one hydrogen will be there. So this is benzene hydrogen. This hydrogen is replaced by OH group. Then we will get here this OH will be replaced this H. Then formula will be like this OH. This aromatic alcohol, this can be represented as AROH also, PHOH also, or like this OH also. So remember, in examination any one of the symbol they may use. AR mean aromatic, PH mean phenyl, Psi mean also that respective benzene, that is phenyl group only. So any one of the formula they can use in the competitive exam. That's why you should know all representation. Now in aliphatic alcohol, hydrogen replaced by OH group, that is alcohols. In that all are having sp3. If generalized, that is sp3 carbon, that OH bonded group. But here this is sp2 carbon, because we know that this is double bond, double bond, double bond. Already I told you the tricks how to identify the hybridization. Single bond mean sp3, double bond mean sp2, and triple bond mean sp. Carbon both side double bond, that is also sp. So based on that you can identify the hydroxy group bonded to which type of carbon, sp3 or sp2 or sp, what are the respective you can check. And in that also ethers is present. Later we will discuss about the ether, but a small discussion about the ether. In hydrocarbon, this H, for example this methane, in this H is replaced by OR group, alkoxy group, then that is called ether. For example, if you take here CH3, H is replaced by OCH3, then it is called ether group. That's why this general formula of alkane, this total it is called R, and this is OH. This is also general formula of alkane, and this is AROH for aromatic alcohol. ROR is ether general formula. This can be represented as CnH2n plus 1 O and CnH2n plus 1. This is nothing but alkyl group. This is also alkyl group. R is indicated. This is alkyl group. Okay. This is a general explanation about the alcohol, phenols and ether. So what is the use of this alcohol phenol ether? So I am discussing about only alcohol. Alcohol, the main use is one is spirit. Nowadays it is very important because the coronavirus is very dangerous virus. So if it is washed with your hands or that any other materials, then that will be not harmful. That's why all hand wash or any other Dettol like this, in that also spirit will be present. And next, wood. Why it is wood used in alcohol chapter mean that what do you call cellulose. In cellulose, how much 90 nearly 40 to 50% cellulose will be present. Cellulose having hydroxy groups. And next, sugar also having the hydroxy groups, because sugar is a combination of glucose and fructose. Glucose and fructose are polyhydroxy aldehydes and ketone. In that also having this is alcohol group. And next one, paper. Paper is generally prepared from the wood only. And all this we can as a solvent also we are using in the laboratory. So many uses will be there. Other than this, we will discuss about the classification of alcohols. Now I am discussing about alcohol. Ether we will discuss about later. Now, classification of alcohols. How many types of alcohol will be there? In that, based on the hydroxy groups, based on number of OH groups, this is called hydroxy groups. So based on hydroxy groups, these alcohols are classified as 1 monohydric alcohol, and second one dihydric alcohol, third one trihydric alcohol. This all based on up to 1 to 2. It is monodiamine, 1 hydroxy group, 2 hydroxy group, 3 hydroxy group. After 2 all are considered actually polyhydric only, but separately I will give here now polyhydric alcohols. Polyhydric alcohol, dihydric, trihydric and polyhydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol means it having only one OH group. For example, this is considered ROH. This can be written as CH3OH, CH3, CH2OH. All these are which one? Monohydroxy. In that also we can write this is phenol. Phenol also one of the monohydroxy. This is IUPAC name also phenol, common name also phenol. This is methyl alcohol. This is ethyl alcohol. These are common names. IUPAC name later we will discuss. Okay. Next, dihydric alcohols. In dihydric alcohols, 2 hydroxy groups will be present. Example CH2OH, CH2OH. This is called vicinal diol. Vicinal means side by side carbon. Adjacent carbon, 2 hydroxy groups are there. Each carbon having one hydroxy group, that is called vicinal. Keep in mind, competitive exam purpose, this vicinal is very important. Vicinal means what is the adjacent carbon having hydroxy groups or any other group. Vicinal means side by side. Diol means here 2 hydroxy groups are there. If halogen is there, vicinal dihalides that is, or any other functional group, that respect to name will come. Vicinal means adjacent carbons. Gem dihalides, for example, is CH3, CHOH. That is gem dihalogen, halogen will be present. This is gem diols. On same carbon, 2 hydroxy groups. Gem means what is that? Twins. This is OH groups on the same carbon. It means same belongs to parent carbon. That's what it is called gem. Gem means what is that? Geminal, or gem means that is twins. Vicinal means side by side. Next one. This is also dihydroxy. OH. Next, position changed. Then name also changed. This is OH, and next this is also OH and OH. Only positions are changed. This is called orthodihydroxybenzene. This is metadihydroxybenzene. This is para dihydroxybenzene. Ortho, meta, para word comes in, that is common name. 1, 2, 3, 4 number will come in, that is IUPAC name. That's why IUPAC name of this compound is 1, 2 benzene, or we can write benzene 1, 2 diol also write. Benzene 1, 2 diol. Its name 1 benzene 1, 3 diol. Its name benzene 1, 4 diol. Common name ortho dihydroxybenzene, meta dihydroxybenzene, para dihydroxybenzene. Next, or common name, one more common name also is there. This is called catechol. Catechol. Its name, meta position is there, that is resorcinol. This is called phenol or hydroquinone. Hydroquinone. These common names are very important for competitive exam, CET, NEET and JEE Mains advanced level. So common names anyone should be remembering. There is no any other way. Next, trihydroxy or trihydric alcohol. Trihydric alcohol mean here CH3, or this dihydric alcohol also known as diols, or it is called glycol. Common name of this vinyl diol is known as ethylene glycol. Common name of this is vinyl diol. Just it is representation. It is not the name. It is vinyl diol is a just understanding purpose. It means hydroxyl group present in which position, but this is not the name. This is the name ethylene glycol. If IUPAC name is there, then what number 1, 2 position is there? Then that is called ethane 1, 2 diol. This is IUPAC name. Okay, this is about the dihydric alcohol. Now we will discuss about the trihydric alcohol. In that, one of the example is CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. This is called glycerol. This is glycerol. In benzene also one more hydroxy group add, then already 2 are there. Now we can write here OH, hydroxyphenol. Now we can write here one OH group, that is called 1,3,5 benzene triol. Okay, but common name is called fluoroglucinol. So many names we have to remember. Common organic chemistry means common names will be present. IUPAC names are there. IUPAC name is based on the position of their functional group, or any substance name we will easily answer. But common names is generally we have to remember. Next, polyhydroxy. In that polyhydroxy, if you want, then just see my videos. In that carbohydrate chapter, in that biomolecule, in that carbohydrate is there glucose, fructose, and next is maltose, sucrose. All are having more than one hydroxy group. They are example for this. Starch, cellulose, all are example for polyhydroxy compound. So these are the classification. Now in this classification, mainly we will discuss about the monohydric alcohol. That dihydric, trihydric alcohol rare in our discussion. There is, I think, higher level, but now we will discuss about the monohydric alcohol. In this monohydric alcohol, again classification will be there. Monohydric alcohol, it means one OH group present in that compound. Now this monohydric alcohol again classified into primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. And another one is allylic, another one is benzylic, next vinylic, like this. So many classification will be there. In that, hydroxy group bonded to sp3 carbon. First classification, hydroxy group bonded to sp3 carbon. Now if you take one example, CH3CH2OH. Already I told you that single bonded means what you call this carbon is sp3 carbon. This, and you should know that what is primary, secondary, tertiary. Carbon bonded with one carbon, this carbon is known as primary carbon. Carbon bonded with the two carbon, that is called secondary carbon. It is denoted by 2 degree. Carbon bonded with the 3 carbon. This carbon is known as, this I am denoting this arrow mark, not this bond. So these are the bond, this arrow mark. Okay. So this arrow mark, this is called tertiary carbon. Carbon bonded with the 4 carbon, then this carbon is known as quaternary carbon. Quaternary carbon will be present but not quaternary alcohol, because already carbon valence is how much? 4. 4 already is completed. Again another bond will not form. That's why quaternary alcohol will not be present. Only primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol will be present. So this is primary alcohol, because this carbon is bonded with the 1 carbon. Next, secondary carbon. If you take here CH3, CH, CH3, this is OH. Carbon bonded with the 2 other carbon. That's why this carbon is known as secondary carbon. On this OH is there, that's what is called secondary alcohol. Next, tertiary alcohol. CH3, CH3, OH, CH3. This carbon bonded with the 3 other carbon, that's what is called tertiary carbon. On that OH group is present, that's what is called tertiary alcohol. Quaternary alcohol will not be present, that is only hydrocarbon, not quaternary alcohol possible. Next, in the allylic alcohol. Allylic alcohol means, keep in mind, compulsory some set of representatives is there. This is called allylic carbon. Star mark given carbon is called allylic carbon, along with this group compulsory. After this group, next CH2. This is called allylic carbon. Allylic carbon. This total is allylic. This carbon is called allylic carbon. Okay. On this OH group is present. That is called CH2 double bond CH, CH2 OH. Then this is called allylic alcohol. So keep in mind what is the setup is required for allyl. CH2 double bond CH, CH2. On this any other is there, that is called their respective name. Allylic alcohol, allylic halogen, that is chloride, bromide, like this. In this also primary, secondary will be there. This carbon bonded with the 1 carbon, don't say next carbon, only directly bonded only. That's here also directly bonded only you have to consider. Carbon directly bonded with the 1 carbon, this is called primary allylic. This is, if one hydrogen removed, another carbon is there, that is called secondary. This hydrogen also removed and another carbon is there, that is called tertiary allylic. Primary allylic, secondary allylic, tertiary allylic. Okay. Next one, benzylic. Benzylic also one setup will be there that you have to remember. Benzylic means benzene. On this CH2, this carbon is known as benzylic carbon. Benzylic carbon. On this, if it is any other group will be there, that respective name will come, that is CH2OH. Now we are discussing about the alcohol chapter, that's what it is called benzylic alcohol. Benzylic alcohol. Here also it is called primary benzylic alcohol, because this carbon is bonded with the 1 carbon only. 1 hydrogen removed and here 1 carbon is added, that name is secondary benzylic alcohol. Next, 1 hydrogen removed, another carbon added, this is tertiary benzylic alcohol. So we know that carbon bonded with the 1 carbon, primary, carbon bonded with the 2 carbon, that is secondary, carbon bonded with the 3 carbon, that is tertiary. That should be directly bonded, not the indirectly. Next, vinylic and arylic also, aryl carbon. Okay. So these are sp2 carbon. This is hydroxyl bonded to sp3 carbon. Second one, classification. This is first one. In this, OH group bonded to sp2 carbon. In this, one example is CH2 double bond CH. This is called, here bond, this line is nothing but bond. This total setup is known as vinylic. Vinylic. On this any group is a CH2 double bond CHOH is there. This is called vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol. This common name. Next, aryl. Already we know that phenol is aryl alcohol. Double bond, double bond, double bond, OH. So this carbon is called, already I told you, sp2. This carbon, already we know single bond, double bond mean what is that? sp2. Carbon with the double bond, then it is sp2 carbon. This is also sp2 carbon. This is called phenol. But its another common name also is there. Carbolic acid. Remember, carbolic acid. Generally acid mean we will see the COH, but in this any COH group not there, but also its common name is given carbolic acid because it is mainly prepared from the coal tar. Okay, so these are classification we discussed: primary, secondary, tertiary, allylic, benzylic, vinylic, aryl, everything. Next, what do you call IUPAC name? What is the IUPAC name? How to write the IUPAC name of the given compound? Now, IUPAC name and some common names also we will discuss. IUPAC, okay, International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry, that is IUPAC. So for alcohol chapter, common IUPAC name is alkane, because already I told you that one hydrogen is replaced by hydroxy groups. That's why in alkane E dropped, and this suffix name of that alcohol is ol. Then alkane plus ol, alkanol. Alkanol. That's why keep in mind when you write in the IUPAC name of organic compound, then always you have to write like this only, ol. If like this you are writing in, that is Al. This is suffix name of aldehyde group. This is a suffix name of alcohol group. Carefully identify the Al and Ol. Ol means hydroxy, Al means aldehyde. Okay, but keep in mind for polyhydroxy, this is for monohydroxy. For monohydroxy only this is monohydroxy compound. For polyhydroxy means more than one. I given here ditried poly also, but from di onwards only it is considered as a poly. For polyhydroxy compound, E will be written. E will not cancel. That's why alkane plus ol, that is alkane nol. So here E is present, here E is not there. Carefully observe. For polyhydroxy means from 2 hydroxy groups, 3 hydroxy groups, 4 hydroxy groups, dash dash dash. In that E will be retained in its IUPAC name. This is IUPAC name representation. Common name, this is ROH, we know the general formula. Then it is alkyl group, then we can say alkyl. And this is hydroxide. Hydroxide is simply known as alcohol. That's a alkyl alcohol. That is methyl alcohol. If it is R is CH3, then what do you call? CH3 OH. This is called methyl alcohol. If it is ethyl, is an ethyl alcohol. So we know that how to write the IUPAC name and how to write the common name. So now we will take the few compounds and we will write their respective IUPAC and common name. We will start with the N equal 1, that is CH3. This is a compound. First I will write the IUPAC name, Next I will write the common name. Okay, its name one carbon means meth, N, E dropped and OL, methanol. Common name is methyl alcohol. Some other common name also is this called wood spirit. Destructive distillation of wood, then we will get the methyl alcohol. It is very poisonous, and if you take 1 or 2, 3 drops also, it is easily leads to death. That's why don't take the alcohol directly. This methyl alcohol is very poisonous. Ethyl alcohol we can drink, but that should be what do you call, suggested alcohol should be required, not the spirit directly. If you spirit also take, that is somewhat harmful. That's why alcohol should be given in the volume percentage, that respective volume percentage only you have to intake in our body, not directly. So methyl alcohol is very poisonous. Based on this one proverb also is there. If you take methyl alcohol, people will dance around you. If you take ethyl alcohol, you will dance around the people. What is the meaning of this? Methyl alcohol is very poisonous. If you die, then people will dance around you. If you take ethyl alcohol, it gives you somewhat a kick. What do you call that? Is kick, I think only that is. So then you will dance around the people. So careful about the methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol. Now, if you take the ethyl alcohol, that is H3CH2OH. This is called, two carbons are there. Then root word is ethane. First letter you can write capital. E removed, add OL. Ethane, ethanol. This is common name, ethyl alcohol. Okay. Next, if you write here CH3, CH2, CH2OH, how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3. This is called propane. E drop OL. We can write like this also, propane 1-ol also, because this carbon always the functional group should get the least number 1, 2, 3, because OH may be a second carbon also, then its name may be changed. That's why you have to indicate its position also. That's why it is propane 1-ol. This is called N-propyl alcohol. N-propyl alcohol. Next, if position is changed, then CH3, CHOH, CH3. One hydrogen shifted here, OH will come here. Then CH2 will come to CH3, remaining is come to OH. Then number if you give here 1, 2, 3, this is called propane 2-ol. Propane 2-ol. Both molecular formula is same, but position of hydroxyl group is changed. That's why these two are positional isomer. These two are which one? Positional isomers. Number if changes appear and the root word is same is there, then automatically it is positional isomer. Then it is called isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Keep in mind what is the iso mean? CH3, CH bond and CH3. Like this is there, this always is called iso. And this is 3 carbons are there, isopropyl. One hydrogen is less, isopropyl. If it is like this is there, CH3, CH3 and CH2 dash bond this is. Then this is iso group, but how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then that time it is called isobutyl. If it is one more carbon is there, that time it is called isopentyl. Okay. Iso group means compulsory this is required. Okay. Next, if it is 4 carbons are given, that is called C4, H4 into 2, 8 and this O like this, C4H10O. Based on this, 1, 2, 3, 4. First we will write the carbon and remaining satisfied with the hydrogen. CH3, 3 plus 1, 4, carbon valency 4. That's why 3 plus 1, 4, and here already 2 is there. Next is CH2, CH2OH. How many hydrogen? 10. 3, 2, 5, and here also CH2. 2, 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 oxygen will be there. 4 carbon, 4 carbon. This is called propane 1, sorry, not propane, but 4 carbons are there. Butane 1-ol. Change the position of this hydroxy group. Then we can say that is CH3, CH2, CH, CH3. One hydrogen shifted here, then it is CH3, one hydrogen less, and this OH will become here. Then it is called butane, E removed, 2-ol. Second position hydroxy group. Next, now carbon chain length decrease. Now here carbon chain length is 4. If you decrease 1, otherwise this methyl group also we can change. Then CH3, carbon chain length decrease means this is 3 carbon only. This is CH3, this is CH3 and OH. Okay, this is called, if you give left to right or right to left also numbering will be same. 1, 2, 3. Second position methyl is there, 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Next, any other possibility is there? Any other possibility? One butane 1-ol, butane 2-ol. Next, butane or propane 2. Any other possibility mean in this only hydroxy group. Yeah. One minute, I will write here. CH3, CH, CH3, CH2. 1 2 3 4 here OH. Okay, this is called 1 2 3 2 methyl propane 1 mole, propane 1 mole. So here this is 3 carbon chain, this is also 3 carbon chain, but hydroxy group position is changed. This is 2, here 1. So these two are again positional isomer. These two are also positional isomer. If you give number here 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 3, 4 are chain isomer. 2, 3, 4 are chain isomer. 1, 2 are positional isomer and 3, 4 are positional isomer. Because here also prop is there, here also prop is there. Root word same in what is that? There is no chain isomer. That should be any other. But here in hydroxy group position is changed here. Second position here, first position. That's why number of that hydroxy group position of hydroxy group changed. That's why it is called positional isomer. Here also number is changed for position of hydroxy group. This is positional isomer. But here root word but is there, here root word prop is there, and here also prop. Then 1, 3, 4 are chain isomer. 2, 3, 4 are chain isomer. Similarly for you, you can try for this compound C5H12O. How many? Only structural isomer in that classify primary, secondary, tertiary, any allelic like this also possible, you can classify. So here also common name if you want for this butane 1 mole, common name is N-butyl, common name N-butyl alcohol. Next, what is the common name of this? Secondary butyl alcohol. This is called secondary position. This is, for example, if you observe CH3, CH dash this bond and any other group here CH2 like this. Then secondary position this is. Then it is called secondary. Secondary means SEC, right? No problem. Secondary butyl alcohol. Tertiary N secondary word will not use in IUPAC name. These are used in the common names only. Next, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4 tertiary butyl alcohol. This is like this you can write tertiary, because tertiary carbon we know carbon bond with the 3 carbon. Tertiary TER means tertiary. This is butyl alcohol. Next, this is isobutyl. Already I told you this is iso group. Here already somewhere I represent this iso. And this one total 3 plus here 1 4, then it is called isobutyl alcohol. So common name we have to remember. IUPAC name in based on their number position we can give, that is easy somewhat, but common names are, there is no way we have to remember. So here also nearly I am giving here number 8 isomers are possible. So that 8 isomers write and classify the primary, secondary, tertiary. So in that few are maybe same primary, few are maybe same secondary, tertiary also possible. Try yourself. If you don't know the answer, then you can check in your textbook. In that haloalkane chapter, one in-text question is there, that is C5H11Cl. There Cl or bromine some will be there. So remove the bromine and add the hydroxy group. That is the same question, but here hydroxy group will be there. That is the difference between that question and this one. There also classification will be the primary, secondary, tertiary. Here also classification, that is also structural isomerism. And after this, we will discuss few other compound with this other some extra functional group. CH2 double bond CH, CH2, CH2 like this OH will be there. So we have to give the number for this compound. Always the first priority group will get the least number, then OH and alkene, in that this will be the first priority group, then 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Then what is IUPAC name for this? Total 4 are there. But third position 3 in, E will be removed and 1 ol. Okay, if it is NH2 and CH2, CH2 and CH2OH like this also is there. Compare with the OH and NH2, which will be get the first priority. So hydroxy group will get the first priority, NH2 will get the as a substituent 1, 2, 3, then 3 amino, 3 carbons are there, propane, E removed, and 1 O. Next, if it is given like this, OH, this cyclic compound, this is cyclopentane, E removed, and OL, cyclopentanol. No need to represent the hydroxy because all positions are equivalent. Next one, if you change like this, OH and ethyl, then what is the name of this compound? If you give number here, then 1 ethyl, 1, 2, 3, 1 ethyl, cyclopropane, E remove, 1 ol. 1 ethyl, cyclopropane, 1 ol. Next, if you write any other cyclic compound, then what will be the name? Here double bond. Otherwise, here we can write a keto form better, and here you can write the CH2OH. Then how to give the name of this compound? For this is the first priority group, this is the second priority group, keto group first priority. Then it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Longest carbon you have to choose for the principal carbon chain. Then this will be substituent. Then what is substituent name here? This is hydroxymethyl, because carbon one carbon is there, that is called what is that? Meth. Hydrogen one less means methyl. Then it is called second position. This group is the second 2 hydroxymethyl, 2 hydroxymethyl cyclopropanone, 2 hydroxymethyl cyclopropanone. This is a name of this given compound. And next, if you consider the aromatic compound, if you take aromatic compound, in that already we know common name of phenol, that is considered as a common name also. Then now if you consider aromatic alcohols, in that phenol is a basic compound. This is called phenol, IUPAC name also and common name also. But one more common name, what is given here? Carbolic acid. First I am writing IUPAC name, next common name. Next here already given some names, dihydroxy, trihydroxy, that again I am not giving here. And now here OH and CH3. This is called first priority group, this is methyl group. So 2-methyl phenol. 2-methyl phenol. Its name orthocresol, common name. If you change the position of this methyl group, OH and here methyl group, this is 3-methyl phenol. This is called metacresol. Fourth position, then OH and here CH3. This is 4-methyl phenol. Then this is called paracresol. If you take any other compound, in that again we will write the IUPAC name and common name. Just I am changing these positions. Then here may be aldehyde. Then it is called, this is the first priority group, this is second priority group, 2-hydroxy benzene carbolhydrate, or benzaldehyde also we can write. Benzaldehyde also considered as the IUPAC name, common name also benzaldehyde, but its name salicylaldehyde, common name. If you take here like this, OH, COOH, same name will come, 2-hydroxy benzene carboxylic acid, 2-hydroxy benzene carboxylic acid. Next, its name is common name salicylic acid. Common name you have to remember, there is no any other way. Next, this is OH NO2. Then it is called this substituent now. Then it is 2-nitrophenol. 2-nitrophenol. Other it is called orthonitrophenol. Okay, these are the few alcohol, their IUPAC name, and one of the important name it is picric acid. Very very important. Here benzene on this OH, second position in O2, fourth position in O2, sixth position in O2. This is called 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Common name picric acid. This is a yellow powder you will see in your laboratory. Next, keep in mind when you read, somebody will read 2, 4, 6. Don't read the comma. Comma is only a small stop. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. This is more acidic than benzoic acid also due to the NO2 group. These are electron withdrawing group. Due to that electron withdrawing group, its acidic nature will be increased because after loss of this H, that phenolphthalein is more stabilizer in resonance structure. Next, after this, we will discuss about the structure of alcohol and phenol. Next, ethers, because when you discuss about the structure, this should be combined discussion will be there. Now this is I am discussing about normal methyl alcohol, H, O, H. This will be the benzene, and next here O, H. This is phenol. Next here CH3, H, O, H, H, H. This is ether. So in this one, bond length of this CO, that is 142 picometer. Here bond length is 141 picometer, carbon oxygen bond. So what about this bond also 141. But this bond is carbon oxygen bond, this carbon only 136 picometer. We know that water molecule in chemical bonding chapter, its bond length, bond angle is 104.5. Actually this carbon is oxygen is sp3 hybridized. sp3 hybridized means 109.28 degree bond angle, but due to the lone pair repulsion and lone pair bond pair repulsion in water molecule, bond angle is 104.5. This is also very very important, you have to remember. Now what is the bond angle? In this bond angle here 108 something will be there. So in this 108.9 degree, here will be nearly 109 degree, here is 111.7 degree. Actually compared with the water molecule, here both side hydrogen is there, but here hydrogen here should be methyl group. So somewhat repulsion is there in between this, then it will be away. That's why bond angle is increased. Hydrogen is smaller group, less repulsion. Only lone pair repulsion is there. That's why this will become down. When comes near, bond angle will be decreased. It decreased from 109 to 104 due to lone pair repulsion, lone pair hydrogen repulsion. Here bond pair is there. This is bond pair. This is a bond. This bond pair and lone pair repulsion. That's why this actually it may be present here. When it comes to here, bond angle what happened? Decreases. So here also due to this hydrogen and this bulky group, little bit increase compared with this 104. Actually it is 109. It is less than this 109 only. But compared with the water molecule, it is slightly more is there. Reason somewhat repulsion between this group. This is due to bulky group. Here this is planar. There is no much repulsion between this hydrogen. That's why it is 109, but compared with the actual somewhat less only is there. And here it is increased compared with this actual bond angle. Reason both are this is bulky group repulsion, then little bit bond angle is increased. So this order will ask in the competitive exam, what is the bond angle in alcohol, phenol, ether. So bond angle order is ether greater, then next phenol, next alcohols. Okay, this is about the structure. And sometimes they may ask what type of question will be possible, and here also they may ask the what is the bond length. This is 96 picometer. Here lone pairs will be there. Here also lone pair. Here also lone pair. How many lone pair, how many bond pair? Like this question will ask what is the solubility, what is the bond and dipole moment, what is the molecular weight, what is the melting point, boiling point, and next their increasing order of solubility. Like this question number of will ask. Where this question will come, there I will discuss, because in the physical property, in chemical property, there we will discuss. This is about the just introduction about the alcohol, phenols and ether. Ether separately we will discuss. Majorly we will discuss alcohol and phenol in this continuation process. Thank you very much. Remaining part we will discuss in the next video.